Welcome back.
I'm sorry. Welcome back, guys. Apparently we don't know who's talking. Today we're going to do our Brazilian craft, and it is going to be a firework. In Brazil, every year, right around Christmas time, they have and they do it at Christmas Eve, and they do it on New Year's Eve. They do a large fireworks show. And so anyways, we're going to make a fun firework out of these pipe cleaners. So what this is there's about 30. I think we did 30. They're about a third of a size. So there's 10 pieces. We cut them in thirds and tied them around. And so you've got, this is what you will start with out of your...
Try not to lose your firework.
So how you're going to do... Seriously? Okay. How you do it is, we're going to start with one side. And this is really important. Start with one side. So you just take it, and each one you're going to bend, just make it kind of flare out in all different directions. We want them to really stand out. They're gonna be, and then once we get it, it's kind of like your Christmas tree when you're fluffing the fake Christmas tree. You're
fluffing the branches.
Yep, you just one at a time.
Yeah.
Do you have anything to add?
And just pull them down, and you know they if you join our class, you'll see we're going to show you the fireworks show from Brazil that is really cool.
Yes.
We have it on a little video. And Brazil celebrates their their holiday tradition for Christmas, because they have Christmas in Brazil, is in the summertime. That's
fun fact.
Yeah, we don't have it in the summer. We have it in the winter.
Now, as you can see, we have completed half of it. So now we're going to turn it over and do the exact same thing to the bottom. You can just hold the center, and we're going to just push them out. You want them to go into different directions. Maybe if you've got two that are like this close together, what's nice about the pipe cleaners is you can move them anywhere you would like them to go, in any direction.
And who doesn't love fireworks?
Me. I
love them.
I made it sound like I didn't like them.
You do like them.
I love them. 4th of July is my favorite.
And I love, here's free advertising, I love the Disneyland and Disney World fireworks. If you want to see some fireworks, go there, let me tell you.
All right, so once you get them done, now just have fun with it. And this is a fun firework, and you can put them in all different ways and just spread them out. And now you have a firework. Now, to put it on your tree, if you want to hang this on your tree, you could either use one of them and wrap it around and hang it like that, if you'd like to do that. Or you can tie something to the middle of it and hang it from there. It's whatever you would like. Just spread it out and have fun.
And pipe cleaners, they have, stuff that comes out that's, going to grab onto those branches, grab onto those pine needles.
Yeah.
And so you can just sit it right on a branch, and it should stay, because the pipe cleaner little things that are coming out, little strings that are coming out, they'll grab right onto the pine needles from your fir tree. So there is your beautiful firework.
Have fun. Have fun.
Have fun. We'll see you for the next one. Bye.